Good morning, this is Kathy, and this is a pre-market analysis for Tuesday, July 22nd. Okay. ES just invalidated this opposing emerging pattern here, the gray one. So I'm going to get rid of it. It was merely a target if price were to come back here below 1959. So right now, a hold above 1974.25 has 78.25 target. Above there has the ideal target of 2000 and scaling point at 1991.50. If you want to do ABCDs, you can find some, well, that kind of equals, doesn't it? Okay, so that equals, you don't have anything else. You'd have to do smaller ABCDs. So for right now, I'm just going to leave it like it is and see how price behaves at that 78.25. As long as it holds below there, this double, snap-book double, bullish PRZ continues to remain in play. Profile-wise, price is currently trading at 1972.25, so it has pushed above this composite low volume node of 1970.25, and it's in this region of acceptance between 71.50 and 74. So again, still looking for the 78.25 to hold or not. If it falls back below 1970.25, the magnet becomes it is 67.50. And then the zones become important targets regarding the composite volume profile and areas of acceptance and rejection. NQ is currently retesting a large bearish butterfly PRZ. Approximate ideal minimum retracement is going to be around that 3900. It adjusts a little bit, especially if it tests the 3951 area. Now, there's some confluence there with other movements, but I didn't leave them on there because I already have it. So 3951 has some confluence resistance, and above there has extended targets 3971.50 and the ABCD targets, which can go up to 4039.25. Once price pushes back below the PRZ, if that's the case, watch for pullbacks into rising moving averages. Below there, it increases the probability of going into retracement mode. Profile-wise, yesterday was an inside day of Friday, and so now we're watching to see if it can hold above that 3941. Don't have any volume profile, have to depend on the fibs, but once price is able to push back below 3941, then the magnets are the green zones. Okay. CL is currently testing a small bearish garfly. Actually, it's retesting the bearish shark PRZ. It breached just a tad to complete that pattern. And ideal minimum retracement is around this double golden ratio zone around 102.66 or 69. It's hard to read. 69. So the PRZ is going to be the initial zone to break and hold, and then this little golden ratio zone. A hold below this 102.69 invalidates the bearish cross and has 102.23 as the initial target, and it could just stall around there. We're still seeking a point for this very large triangle point. Harmonically speaking, it requires that it pulls back to at least 101.38. Okay, that's the ideal minimum retracement target of the shark, and the ideal target is 175. Profile-wise, price is currently at 103.11, so it has breached this red zone and approaching this neutral zone, which is a very strong composite low-volume node. It is a separator of acceptance. So above it increases the probability of testing 104.52 and 105.14. A hold below it has the initial magnet at 102.6, but a major magnet at 101.2. And TF is currently validating this blue pattern, so that is removed, and it's breached this bearish bat target to seek the alternate bearish bat target, 1151.5. Okay, so once price is able to hold back below 1149.6, it increases the probability of going into retracement mode. Unless it holds above here, have the extended target of 1158.7, and the larger scenario target is 1172.8. All right, that's it for me. Have a great day. See you in the room.